James, you okay? No, Henry, you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. I'll be okay, guys. Don't worry. You don't look okay to me. You look sick. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. You look sick to us. Very sick. Thomas. Look right in front of you. Oh. Oh. Hello. Can you get your name, please? Sorry, but the birds are full. So let them know you're not. Let them know you're not a visitor. I'm not a visitor. Okay, you're not a visitor. He's not a visitor. All right. What do you want? Good evening. I'm with FEMA. We've been getting house calls around here in this area. We decided to check them out. Check it out. Oh yeah. Nothing going on. Nothing going on here, sir. Nothing going on here, sir. Nothing at all. Well, we need to take an engine. An engine. We need to take an engine for. We need to take an engine from here. Mostly. We only need to take one. That's it. One? Yeah. Just one. Okay. Okay. Here you want. And I would like to volunteer to go. I'll go, sir. Henry, what are you doing, Henry? Henry, no. We kinda treat it a little longer, you know, buddy. You need a little longer here, buddy. Guys, I don't feel good right now. I want to be somewhere safe. You got shit too, you know? You get what I mean? I feel sick and everything. So I really don't feel like, moving most of the sudden. But I gotta move. Because, it's what I do best. Henry, no! What's your name, engine? My name's Henry. Alright, Henry. What's your number? Number 3. Alright, Henry, number 3 engine. Alright, Henry. I'll take you to the testing yard and then we'll be set to go. I'll take you. We'll be set to go in a few minutes. Say what you gotta do, and then I'll be waiting. Henry, you can't leave. We need you here. So I know y'all need me here, but I really don't feel like myself lately. I've been going to sleep. I'm going to sleep non-stop. And it won't go away. So, just the testing yard is where I need to go. Henry, you don't need to go there. This is your home right here. Sodor. I didn't say he didn't tell me that I was leaving Sodor, Gordon. Just going to run some tests. Gordon, take care of the pack for me. Take care of the pack for me, Well, Henry, you gotta go. Come on. I gotta go, guys. Henry, wait. Be safe with it, buddy. I will. Also, if an engine comes, if a visitor comes, don't put him in my berth. Okay, Henry. Home team, everybody. Home team. Oh, if only I could hear his whistle one more time. all I want to hear. All I want to hear is whistle. And that's the only thing I want to hear. He didn't even blow the whistle saying goodbye, though. Relax, guys, that's Henry. Relax, guys, that's Henry. He's gonna be okay. I just know it in the bottom of my heart. We all care about him. But tomorrow, he's gonna be okay. Tomorrow, he's gonna be okay. Just trust the process. Now we need to get some sleep. Alright, Thomas. Alright, Thomas. Cause, the sun could be still burning. The sun could be still burning. Oh, Henry. Thomas is right. We need to get some sleep right now. Come home soon, Henry. We really are going to miss you, Henry. We're going to miss you a lot.